Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to change Facebook page name in PC. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First you just have to click your profile at the top right corner and then you have to switch it to your Facebook page. Go to settings and privacy and then tap settings. Now here on the left panel or left side you have to scroll down and look for page setup. Okay, so page setup is under audience and visibility. So tap page setup right here and you will see your name. So what you're going to do to change this is you have to click this view right here. And then once you tap this, then it will take you to general page settings. And to change your Facebook page name, you just have to click edit. And as you can see, if you try to change your Facebook page name, you can't change this again for 60 days. So you have to make sure that you are 100% correct or 100% yes to this. After that, click this review change. Then read the following information. After that, to proceed, you have to enter your password. And then once done, you have to click this request change right here. In order for you to see the result, what you're going to do is to refresh or reload your page. As you can see, it's not yet changed. So you have to refresh, reload. And as you can see here, this is my new Facebook page name. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. If you want to suggest any topic, just feel free to comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.